Okay, for this week, you're going to be working on the number talk for December 11th through the 15th. And we have some information that I want you to do every day to be prepared for a benchmark that's going to be on Thursday and Friday. So we're actually going to look at our number talk every day this week and making sure that we complete it on the days that are assigned. So one thing that would be helpful for Monday's number talk, this is a place value question, and I see that we have all of the information represented in expanded notation. So if you have this paper, this is your place value chart that you made with Mrs. Cartwright. I believe you all have one of these in your folder, and you may even have one that looks a little bit more like this. Okay, so you are welcome to either use your paper or make your own, and I'm just going to leave this right here so that if you need to write this on your paper, you can. I'm going to go ahead and do the same on my paper now. So I have the hundreds place, I have the tens place, and I don't have a ones place, but I do know that I need that place value. And then I have a number that's in the tenths, so I'm going to put my decimal. I have the tenths place, and this number is in tenths, hundreds, thousands, or Tom hates thunder, so I'm going to have the thousands down here. This is the strategy I would expect to see on your paper when I grade it. Yes, Mrs. Barlow is going to be grading this paper this week. Pause the video and go ahead and fill in the rest. Okay, the next question says Yolanda had 1/3 of a pound of peanuts with 5/6 pound of raisins. What is the total weight of these two items? So when I read this, I just think to myself, I'm going to think about this question without any numbers. And I'm going to read it to myself. Yolanda has peanuts and raisins. We want to know total weight. Peanuts, raisins, total weight. I'm thinking to myself that we need to add these two items together. So what pieces do we need to add together? We're going to add the peanuts, and we're going to add the raisins. When I look at this, if I do not have common denominators, that's something I need to do quickly. I need to either make an EFT for 1/3 and an EFT for 5/6, looking for that common denominator, or I need to think about what is my friendly number 1 so that I can find common denominators. Don't forget that if you rename the denominator, you must also rename the numerator. And then finally, I hope that you write your answer in the most simplified form. Okay, go ahead and stop the video, complete both of Monday, and be ready for class.